Hey everyone, today I will guide you through the steps to verify your Skrill account. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Skrill account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on the Settings tab located on the left side of your dashboard. Then select Verification and Features. After that, here you will see the option to verify your account. Click on Verify Now to begin. Skrill will prompt you to verify your identity. You can do this by uploading a valid government-issued photo ID such as a passport, ID card, or driver's license. Ensure the document is valid in color and all details are clearly visible. Next, you will need to verify your address. Skrill may attempt to do this automatically using your device's location. If this doesn't work, you will be asked to upload a proof of address document like a utility bill or bank statement issued in your name and dated within the last 90 days. After submitting the required documents, Skrill will review them. This process can take a few minutes to a couple of days. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email and your account will have increased transaction limits and enhanced security. And that's it. You have successfully verified your Skrill account. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.